So when it comes to Vanguard index funds, I personally invest in their ETFs, and here's why. Reason one is that Vanguard ETFs don't require a minimum investment amount. For example, when you look at VTI and VTSAX, they're both total stock market index funds. And the only difference between them is that VTI is an ETF and VTSAX is a mutual fund. But VTI doesn't have a minimum investment amount and VTSAX does. The second reason I prefer Vanguard ETFs is that I can choose any broker I want. Buying an ETF is just like buying a stock. You can use any broker of your choosing. You can use M1 Finance, Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Fidelity, literally any broker. But when you go to the mutual fund, you have to use Vanguard, and I want choices. And reason three is that Vanguard ETFs actually have lower expense ratios than their mutual fund counterparts. So if we take the same example and look at VTI versus VTSAX, VTI has an expense ratio of 3 basis points. Meanwhile, VTSAX has an expense ratio of 4 basis points. It's not a big deal, but why pay more for the same product? And for those three reasons, if I were to invest in Vanguard index funds, I would go the ETF route.